Okay, I literally have not done a damn thing out here whole week. It's been too hot. It's been in the hundreds and I'm fat, so yeah, we're just gonna do a quick walk around, see what's happened, and see what I can get into. This guy's still going good. Remember that little tiny baby tomato that I found last video? Yeah, there he is. And now he has a friend. So this black currant doing really, really well. Cucumbers starting to pop up. Oh, and I also got these watering gauges. I have like 4 of them. The device can hold up to 12. And it's all like Wi-Fi or Bluetooth or whatever. I don't know. I'm old. But yeah, it's really nice. It tells you like what percentage your soil water thingy is at. And what temperature your soil's at. Got some pole beans and peas in here. This plant is just doing amazing. I love hymns. Those are secret tools that'll help us later. Think the peppers will like Death Wish? I like Death Wish. Got basically the same setup over here, except instead of cubes, we do have that spaghetti squash. Again, I'm sorry. It's an air conditioner. It's hot. Yeah, this one's doing well. I've only spotted that one little baby. That one little baby on this one so far. Oh, no, there's another one. So 2 little babies on that one so far, but he's also rather large. Our volunteer tomato plant is doing quite well. I do have to harvest some of that basil, otherwise it's gonna bolt and go to seed. And with all the basil popping up in there, I don't need any more seeding. And got a good amount of tomatoes popping up on this plant. And you see the eggshell still down there. Ooh, is that a red tomato over there? Yeah, I still haven't fixed this. Like I said, it's literally been 100 degrees this week. All week. It's looking like it for next week. So it's hot. Not a fan. But I do have lots of tomato fruits. Let's see. He doesn't look quite red, but this is the plant that had the blossom end rot. Oh, I cured it. I cured it. I cured it. Oh, dang, that's a good tomato. He's so good. He's so good. Grapevine's doing well. I wonder if I can secure him with the clothespins. I'm kidding. I'm so kidding. We do have the tomatillo here. There's 2 plants here because you do need 2 for pollination. I think it's working. I've never done them before. I did harvest the bigger zucchini I had this morning. He's going to be dinner. And I have watered some more. That mint is just going insane. The beets are starting. The onions are doing really, really well over here. I still have not picked those radishes, even though I'm pretty sure they're ready. At least some of them are. Probably not all of them. And we just still have those baby brassicas coming up in here. Still nothing here. And still literally in this one, just the red cherry tomato bushes. The bean ones aren't doing anything. Things are all looking sad because it's hot. It's so hot. I did have to pick the peppers off of these. They were starting to turn mush, and I did not like it. I also found Hims. He is a grapevine. I don't know where he came from. He just kind of popped through the mulch. But you know what? He's here. He can survive. Okay, I was coming through and lopping down knotweed that had popped up, and I was like, wait, that's not knotweed. Nope, that is absolutely a grape. Absolutely a grape. Let's count watermelons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There will probably be more. Oh, 9, 10, 11. I don't know. Did we count that one as 12? There's a lot of watermelons. Oh, we didn't count that one. There's 12. There's a lot of baby watermelons here. He's starting to have a pepper. Everything over here. Freaking cabbage moths. I swear. The peas are still doing well. Kind of cut down something here because it was growing way too much. I don't even know if I've got anything worth salvaging in there. The asparagus and the borage. Anyways, more special tools. I'm gonna clip for now, and we'll do a time delay. See you in a few. Alright, 2 hours later, literally, we have 90 plants or more planted in hydro. It goes pretty quick when you don't give a rodent's rectum what the hell you're planting. Peppers have coffee. I'm gonna go in and get some iced coffee. It is hot. Seriously, 100 degrees. See you guys next week. We'll see what happens there. Like, I just kind of threw shit in. Some of it might pop up, some of it might not. It all might not. We'll see. Chaos. Hello, goodbye.